Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class, chapter light, and the topic image formation by convex mirror for different position of object. So I am going to discuss about image formation by convex mirror for different position. So let case first, the position of object. Position of object at infinity. Okay. Then this is a convex mirror, polished outer side, inner side reflecting. Object placed at infinity. So let an object is placed at infinity when the rays of light comes from infinity, then the rays of light travel parallel to each other. Let two rays of light coming from infinity such that these rays of light parallel to each other, and these rays also parallel to principal axis. This is principal axis, and these are IR, incident rays. As you know, convex lens is a diverging lens. It means it diverges the rays of light. So divergence will take place so you can see when divergence will take place, these rays, reflected rays, never meet or never intersect in front of mirror, but you can see these rays of light appear to come from a point when reduced backward. So when we have to reduce these rays of light backward, it means behind the mirror. So you can see these rays of light intersect at a point. This point will be the focus point according to the definition of focus point. The rays of light travel parallel to the principal axis, meet or appear to meet at focus point. So this is the ray diagram when the object placed at infinity. So position of image at focus. At focus point, it means it is F. Nature nature. As you can see, this image is behind the mirror. It means this is virtual. And erect. And size is small with respect to object, so size is diminished. Clear? So this is the position of object, position of image, and nature, virtual and erect. Because this is behind the mirror, and behind the image that is situated behind the mirror, it is virtual, and virtual image is erect. You have to know that. And the size of image is diminished. I hope you understood. Now I am going to discuss about the second case. Between infinity and pole. You can say between infinity and t. The position of object between infinity and pole. So that this is convex mirror. In this case, the object placed between pole and infinity. So let this is the position of object. This is case second, and object AB. This is top of the object, and that is bottom side. So let a ray of light start from the top and travel parallel to principal axis. That is convex mirror. That is principal axis. That is incident ray parallel to T. So as you know, after reflection, divergence will take place, because convex lens behave as a diverging lens. You can take another ray. These rays strike at the pole, and after reflection, the reflected ray pass through the other side, but at same angle, according to rules of reflection, according to second law of reflection. Second law, I equal to R. So you can see these two rays never intersect in front of mirror, but you can see when we can produce this rays of light in backward position, and when produced backward, these rays of light appear to come from a point, and the rays of light will intersect behind the mirror. You can see clearly. So when produced behind the mirror, so you can see these rays of light intersect at this point. So let these rays of light intersect at this point. So the image is obtained when the intersection of light will take place. So this is the object and this is image. Let this is A dash, B dash. So you can see clearly the size of image. The size of image is small with respect to object, and that is behind the mirror. It means it is virtual. So position of image. So position of image between pole and focus point. Nature, virtual, and direct. And size is small with respect to object. Okay, or you can say is diminished. So this is the second case. So in convex lens we have to read about only two cases: when object placed at infinity, and second when object placed between infinity and pole. Okay, I hope you understand. So the remaining topic of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.